Thanks for stopping by. I was thinking of a new design for Christmas, and I decided to make something with the Polar Express theme. I've been playing around with wavy flags a lot, so I thought I'd take a shot at a two-sided wavy item, and the Polar Express ticket was just the ticket to try that out. So I first created the front side wave and extruded it along two rails so that the ticket would have a pleasing ticket look. On the back side, I mirrored the wave and extruded again. This allowed me to create the roughing paths and the finish paths that were about a 1/4 inch thick. Once I had the waves set up so that they stayed even all the way across, it was time to add the lettering and other graphics. Here you'll see the roughing pass. This just clears out as much of the excess wood as you can using a 1/4 inch downcut bit. Time to switch over to the finishing bit. This will be a 1/16 inch ball nose that I put on and Z'd off an open space of the wood that hasn't been touched yet. Starting the spindle and running the finishing cut. Oops, that's not supposed to happen. Let's put that back on. Sadly, a broken bit doesn't work that well. You've got to take it and replace it. Yep, there's the broken piece. Time for another bit change. Back to a brand new 1/16 inch ball nose. And I slowed down my feet a little bit so I didn't break another one. And it's time for another bit change. This time to a 90-degree V-bit, a downcut shear. Now that the back is done, we're going to flip it over. This one was set up to flip vertically. I used the centering holes that I created at the beginning of the carve. And don't make fun of my centering pegs. At least I know they're exactly a 1/4 inch because they're 1/4 inch bits. Get it lined up, reclamp it in place, and we're off and running again. With the roughing and finishing passes done on this side, we switch over to a 30-degree bit, which will do some detailed lettering. For another bit change, we'll quickly go over to the 90-degree downcut shear, and another bit change, the last one, to the 1/4-inch downcut, which will cut out the piece. Now it's time to take it out. Cut it out of the tabs, a little light sanding on the edges, and oiling. Thanks for watching.